Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to ICP update today. ICP is it's quite incredible. I think ICP may actually eye to move up to 14.792, and there are some few comments saying that the EMAs are what's important right now because ICP is still holding the bull cross, and actually that's very true. I cannot even argue that people saying that ICP still is maintaining the cross are wrong. It's actually true because if we go by the EMA's logic, then yes, look, this is your bull cross, move up, you're holding the crosses here, you're still above the cross, and this was your last chance where you touch the 55 and bounce off the 55. Who knows, this is a place where you can even continue to move upside as long as Bitcoin doesn't go down. But if anything that keeps me worried is Bitcoin itself, right? Bitcoin is the only thing that really makes me anxious at the moment. Now, as long as I'm concerned, I actually think that ICP may move a little bit higher, hopefully, if it doesn't really come down to 11, which I think is 11.92. So if ICP comes down to 11.92, first of all, you're going to invalidate something which I think is a bull flag here, and you may see this flag right over there. So you pushed up, right? You went up like this, you moved sideways, you made a bull cross here, right? You break to the upside. This is probably a retest. Let's hope this retest gets successful, and then from here you have your journey ahead of you, and you probably might be looking for a very small mini push from there to there. For the flag is actually nearly $14 and 14 point probably 9 based on I'm just gonna show you right. Yes, so this inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder here, and as I talked before, this is probably the neckline that you have ended up breaking up above, and from here the technical targets may actually try to push all the way to the upside. Now if it's coming down, I think it's all due to Bitcoin. I don't think ICP has a problem or any issue. It's just Bitcoin that is misbehaving at the moment. And that's all for this quick update today. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.